Hey guys, it's Claudia here in Claudia's Universe, and I'm filming tonight because I'm just now getting around to doing an updated natural hair video where I twisted my Deva cut. In this video, I am going to share with you how my hair looks after I co-washed and used all the products that I will show you in a picture that's coming up right here. I will admit that I am guilty of not moisturizing my hair under these wigs that I've been wearing since Valentine's Day. It's so easy to leave my hair in a protective style, put on a cute wig, and go. So what I'm doing is just giving it a little moisture. This is conditioner in water. Ooh, it was dry as the Gobi Desert. I'm oiling my hands with Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. Some of you probably use this. I love it. I'm gonna go and do a little something and come back and let you see the final result. Okay guys, this is style number 1. I had to lift it up, put on some glasses to match these lips, and some rhinestones. But I just have a question. Can you imagine how off the chain I'd be if I had somewhere to go? If I wasn't going to bed over there, can you imagine what it would be? Baby, it just would not be a party until I walked in. You know what I'm saying? But I really like this. I really like this. But let's go see what we can do with this other look. I'm going to do another look. I think I may do 2 more before I fall out and go to sleep. But I'm liking this, okay? I'm liking this. I just took that silver band that I had, whipped that hair up, let the little grays show on the side because, you know, they kind of match the bling and some other things. So we got this snatched, we got this, and the little curlies. I don't want to touch them too much, they'll frizz up. Style number 1. Be right back with style number 2. Let's do this thing. Style number 2. Make it do what it do. Style number 2. If I were doing something tonight, would I not be ready for the light when the night went bye-bye? Okay. And I think I may wear this one tomorrow for work, in a few hours for work, because this one is so cute. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Matter of fact, I think I just may have to get some pics. I just think I may have to. Love that. Hearted, baby. I said, did you say heart that too? You better make it to do what it do. I'll be back with style number 3. Style number 3. Estilo 3. This is my grandmother Moss's forehead. It's regal, straight from the continent. And I am the only one of my siblings. No, my baby sister has it. She has this forehead. I don't know if it's quite like mine, but I just know it is similar. I think mine might be a little capacious, a little larger. I think my forehead might be a little larger than hers, but this is a regal reminder of my royal background, my royalty in the present moment. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you love this video, so thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed sharing what my hair looks like after a week of being moisturized, co-washed and conditioned and moisturized and put away. This could also be a makeup video, because I surely did enjoy doing this makeup look. I used my Shany Cosmetics, my Shany, yes, eyeshadow palette, and I used my Knick Kat lipstick, both red and burgundy. So I'm working on my brows. Assistant has to work on her brows. And if Amrisi on Instagram worked on hers for 5 years, like I said before, I can work on mine for 5 more. But I love making videos and sharing them with you. Thank you so much for my subscribers. Oh my God, I appreciate you so much, my old and new subscribers. I love you, love you, love you. If you have any video ideas that you want me to film, please let me know below this video. You know what? I have a perfect puff that would go so well with this look. Okay, I had to show you this beautiful little afro puff that my cousin gave me. Thank you so much, cousin. I love you, and I love this little puff, and I appreciate it. And I love my baby sister, who has also given me so many beautiful wigs. But this little puff is adorable. Just sweep that hair on up. You know what? I may wear this puff tomorrow, and just like this, and safeguard my curls. Not with this. I don't think. Maybe I'll do that. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I love it. I love it, love it. But I've got to go now. So I will see you guys later. But But I'm loving this. Absolutely loving it. Yes, yes, yes. I don't even have it pant down either. I just have it sitting up here, just like that. Got you, boo. Work it, work it. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.